Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. On your phone, enable the mobile hotspot and copy the SSID and password. This is how devices authenticate. Make sure your data plan and signal are sufficient because weak LTE slows the connection. On the laptop, open Wi-Fi settings and verify the adapter is enabled. If not, toggle it on. Once done, keep both screens unlocked so you can enter credentials quickly and confirm connection prompts without timeout. You now connect using the laptop's Wi-Fi menu. Find the SSID that matches your phone and select it. Avoid networks with similar names to prevent misconnects. Type the hotspot password exactly. Use the show or eye icon to verify characters so you don't repeat attempts. After connecting, choose the network profile. Set to private if you trust the device or public if you don't. Once connected, confirm internet access by opening a browser and loading a simple page. You finish by validating the connection and resolving common problems. If pages don't load, check the laptop's IP and DNS in network details. Automatic DHCP should supply them. If that fails, toggle the phone's hotspot off and on, or restart the laptop Wi-Fi adapter. This clears most transient issues. Also monitor mobile data and battery. Tethering uses power. A troubleshooting tip: if wireless is flaky, try USB tethering. It's more stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.